Both the boys have sports day on the same freaking day.
Do you not get the concept?
Brother,
Guys, the girl is on the road today. I'm not sure if I had told you that I had a bunch of things to do today, right? A bunch. Well, not really a bunch, but just a bunch of things to get. Always not go back far enough. I don't know. I feel like my judgment poor when it comes to like backing up. I think this should be okay. So guys, I am currently at Bashco. I am trying to get a couple knickknacks for the house, because when I came back from my trip I realized that we had like a whole bunch of clothes. We probably need to sort through the clothes and like try to donate or something like that, because we have too much clothes. So there's a ton load of clothes. We got some new clothes because I've been shopping. Jason's friend came down, brought a ton load of clothes too, so it's like it's just getting too much. So we have zero space. I currently have like this shelving unit that I hang stuff on, but we're running out of hangers. I need to see if I can get some hangers today. And we're also looking online to see if we can find like a closet system or something that combines, like, you know, like the standard closet where you can hang clothes, but also a lot of shelves where you can actually fold stuff, and a lot of drawers as well, because all our drawers are full. So that's number one on the agenda. Also, tomorrow is sports day, and guys, I don't know if I mentioned this little debacle that I'm having, where both the boys have sports day on the same freaking day. This is like a mother's worst nightmare, a parent's worst nightmare, like in general, because how right? Luckily there are two of us. Luckily the odds aren't really against us that much, because their schools are like 5 minutes apart from each other. And it just so happens that for Jameer's school, usually they rent out this big ass fee like at GC Foster. This year they decided to do it on the school grounds, and I'm like, as much as I was so pissed that it's on the same day, I literally had to thank God that it's actually on the school grounds, because if I had to like drive all the way to GC Foster then drive come back, like I would be out of my mind, right? So we're trying to split up the duties tomorrow to see like how best we can like pop into each, so we can spend a little time at both schools, and hopefully it's a great day. I don't know it, but looking forward to that. As it stands, I have nothing yellow, I have nothing green to wear, so I'm not even gonna try and find any clothes, because as I said, I have a clothes debacle, so why would I do that? So I think I'm gonna go neutral tomorrow and then try to add like a pop of color where I can. But yeah guys, we're going in Bashco now. We're gonna pick up a few good things. I also need kitchen stuff, and what else do I need? Yeah, kitchen stuff. So come along, come and shop with your girl and see what we find. So guys, I found the hangers, and they have like this cute little hanger section. I didn't know that they had this. How cute. So usually I go for like black hangers, so something like this. I'm gonna look on the pricing and see what's the best deal I can get for the most amount of hangers, because you know I'm always trying to save. So let's see. Guys, I found some hangers. They're not the best, but we can work with them. I also need clothespins, but I'm not seeing my type. You see, maybe they're too small. I don't know. Pack of clothespins, regular. I like those are cute ones, but these, they're just easy to break, guys. I swear to you. Ugh, I hate shopping for these things. Hate it. Just some nice ones up top. Oh, these small ones are also very cute. Maybe I'll get two of these. I'm also looking a pot or a skillet, whatever y'all want to call them, something big enough These are nice. This one is huge. That one is huge as well. So I currently have a little tiny one like that, but I want something much bigger. And they have like a variety of pots and pans. Ooh, this is a nice Victoria 2-piece set. This is nice. And this is a 12-inch non-stick. This is also very nice. So many options to choose from. Wow. I like this one, but I'm not sure the size. Let's do a size comparison. So this is what? 30 centimeters versus 10 inch. So this is a 10 inch and this is a probably 20. I don't know, 15. No idea. But yeah, I want something big like this one. I have this big ass one. And this is a 12 inch. Oh, so maybe that one was a 12 inch as well. This is actually perfect. This is perfect. This is a 3,800, which is not bad. For like pancakes and stuff. How cute. Yeah, because the boys keep complaining that may take too long to make them food. So I need something like this so I can make like 10 pancakes at once. So they also got a knife set. Let me show you all the knife set. This is it. So it's like a 3-piece knife set. It's for like $1,200, which is not bad. I really want the big chopping knife, but I'll take these two. So yeah. Guys, I was just leaving and then I saw these gorgeous bowls. They have them in 2 tones and they also have them in this lovely color, and the outside is black. Oh my, you've got to be kidding me. They also have some whites, but I'm in love with these for sure. I want to get 1 or 2. They'll be perfect for like soup bowls and stuff like that. And they have the matching plates. Yeah man, they have the matching plates. Guys, we're upstairs in the home department section. Listen, I need to stand by my ice tray. Put down this basket. So they have like a bunch of mirrors. I don't know if y'all saw like the viral mirror that's been going around, but personally speaking, I'm not buying any more mirrors. The big mirror I'm seeing, it's big enough. It's bigger than the one I have. I have like something like this. But may look something huge. When I say huge, I mean huge. But this is all they have, guys. But this is cute as well. But I don't like the frame. I just want like a solid color, like black or something like that. And I have some other ones here. Yeah, I'm tired already. I was downstairs experiencing decision fatigue because I didn't know what to choose. And I was just so stressed out. I'm gonna come up here. No, I'm gonna come up here from just a look. I'm gonna walk around and see if I can find out some more knickknacks that I can add to the house. So yeah, come along. Air fryer. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. How do I enter? So guys, they have a Mother's Day competition coming up. How did they know I was a mother? Okay. Alright, so this is the form, guys. I'm gonna fill it out.
I'll show you. It's gonna ask you your receipt number.
Guys, wish me luck.
You put an X.
That's a receipt number.
And then you drop it in that box over there. Yeah?
Oh, nice. Alright, thank you. Alright, guys, so wish me luck. Alright, guys, so this is the Big Up Mommy competition at Bashko. Wish me luck. Just gonna fold it and drop it in. Go down. Okay.
Them call it broken heart, this blessed love will never part. They don't know it from the start, but tell them say I don't see it. A short Paul and Sasha.
Make me find the road, make me shrink. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I just say dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that the man is just a man. That's a dirty.
How was your race?
Good, I won 20.
You won your 20 races? We're going to Javis school. Good job.
20 points. We have purple with 210 points. And Odessa, we are over one part.
Guys, it is sports day finally, and the girl is back and forth between Jamir and Javi school because, as I mentioned, they have sports day on the same exact day. Where do I even park? I see I can go down here so go get a quick parking. So I've been running up and down all morning, so this is my first time like literally finding the time to come and check in. So yeah,
over here.
we just watched Jamir's race.
Oh, are you over here?
This is their field. We're gonna watch Javi's race now. Jamir won, of course, because I know my Speedy Gonzalez. So see if I can catch a piece of Javi's. And that's how we're just back and forth for the whole day.
Where is the medal?
I have the medal in my bag, baby. No, it's around your neck. Show them your gold medal, my love.
Look at it.
It's around your neck. Yeah, try and park. We can't park straight like couldn't, you know.
Is a whale is reflecting thing on the earth
Bumbo.
right me? It was just destroyed.
So yeah guys, I'll keep y'all posted for the rest of the day. Let's go. Waiting on the results. What is it?
We have green up.
I said it was right! I said it was right!
The Jammy's right there.
Soon be the hot time. Quiet for the start of the next race on track. So this is the boys event. And
Green, go D'Angelo!
green bitches first, then looks like blue. They turn their backs now. They tell them the word. Now they're writing it. I see a left hander. I see a right hander. And I see
grandmother, it look like a long word.
Writing it.
Go D'Angelo! Run! Run, D'Angelo! Run!
Green is looking over on the announcement booth. They're wondering what's going on. Did he get it right?
Grandmother,
Did he get it right? Did they all get it right?
I'm going to reach up the coast. I'm sure we'll get it right.
Green!
They do have water, they do sell water, guys. Listen, I can see the sunburn already. The way the sun do it. Jamir! Oh my goodness.
Jamir wants water.
I'm gonna buy some water for you now.
Jamir loves water.
We are all drained, but sports day has come to an end. So we're heading home now. Well, before we get home, we're going to get the boys some pizza. I want your seatbelt on though. Your pizza and water. Put on your seatbelt, my love.
Well, mommy, what happened to
You're okay, you're gonna be fine. We're just a little bit dehydrated. The boys had an eventful day, they did great. They both got gold for their races. Javi's sports day has not concluded, but I don't think we're gonna go back because he has a couple other races, but he doesn't want to go back. So we're just gonna get them something to eat and then head home. So catch y'all in a Thank you. Oh, it's empty in here.
Oh, yeah, the track park.
Properly because it first beside my park bag.
And can I get some cold water?
Thank you. Come here to the pizza, please.
I can't want my pizza.
I guess you can.
Just have a little bite. You're not eating from morning.
You just got it all already?
Yeah.
Pizza and pineapple. Immediately shipping that.
Hot.
Agree with me, Jamir. Agree with me.
Yeah, I agree with mommy. I agree with that.
We agree with mommy or daddy. You like the pan green.
We agree, Jamie.
Jamir, it's okay. You don't have to agree with anybody.
No, I need to know.
We agree with me or daddy. See that change the back
You know
side.
any mini animal.
Alright, we're in the mini animal. Guys, we're on the road today. It's raining as we speak.
And I'm playing Ryan's World.
Javi's playing Ryan's World. Jamir is doing any mini animal to see if him agree with him for the army. And I am freezing. Why is it so cold? I can turn this up, please.
No,
No, you take it up.
I thought that is.
Oh, you thought put it at? If we turn back, I have it. I never see it. Back home we go. So guys, we're actually on our way to Bogwalk today because it is Grandpa's birthday. What? Yeah, it's Grandpa's birthday today. So they're having a little...
I didn't know that.
Well, now you know. So they're having a little birthday celebration for him.
Daddy told me that before.
Yeah, so they're having a little birthday celebration. So we like bought a cake and everything. They're gonna do like a bunch of cooking because you know how it is in the country already. So we're just gonna go ahead and join the festivities.
What are gonna be Mommy, why are garages open?
Your father went for his wallet. So yeah, journey with us guys. As I said, it's pretty gloomy. It's actually raining right now. Not an ideal situation because we have to drive across flat bridge, and if you know, your girl hates flat bridge, and that's one thing you can't pay me enough money to do, and that's driving across flat bridge.
I hate flat bridge as well.
You hate flat bridge? What you hate about flat bridge?
I don't like when they turn up when we're driving on it.
You don't like it?
Yeah, cause they just make it like a ramp.
Yeah, it's like a ramp, and if you go left or right, you go straight into the river, right? Yeah, Javi?
Yeah, and I don't want to go straight in the river.
Alright, we're not driving on it today, okay?
Can we go in a shortcut?
Sure, Daddy's gonna find a shortcut.
I want to meet your mother.
Go on,
Pay my respects to your padre.
Go on, We're finally here. And it's raining. Come was asleep for like half the trip. Daddy coming firm with the umbrella. Come. Go with Daddy. Ready? Take your time. Well, my shoes hooked up though. Good afternoon. Give me my home.
We'll send something nice to you.
I'm fine a bit.
Love will never party, don't know it from the start. Me tell them say I don't say it. A short Paul and Sasha.
Bring me from the road, bring me strength. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I don't say dirty love.
I'm still in love with you.
When I'm myself in a player, and you know I'm not to stay. That's dirty love.
That's Grandpa's name.
Go ahead, baby.
Talk to Grandpa.
I wish you can have the red right there.
We didn't get that one. That was too fast.
Take your time and talk. Give Grandpa a good birthday wish, yeah.
I wish you can have the best birthday ever.
The best birthday ever. Woo! Veg and potato salad. Yeah, Miss Antimel. Hi guys, so it is Future Shanice here, and I just realized that I have not closed out this vlog as yet, and the reason for that being it has been a hectic couple of days. I'm not going to lie. The last part of the vlog was abruptly ended like on sports day.
It's way better.
Hi baby, what's
I have
up?
my socks on with this on.
Alright, go and change. We're going to the supermarket. You don't have to come if you don't want to, but go and change please. I'm coming. Mommy's coming. Give me a second.
Okay, but where's our tabs?
Jesus Christ. Listen, we just got in from church and we had to take their tabs, and then my badger me feel the little tab them. Oh my god.
And you guys go?
Sure, no problem.
But I need some water first.
Here, take this. Your juice, your water. Mommy's coming. I'm closing out the vlog.
I love you.
Love you more. So guys, after sports day, which was the Thursday, you know, we got home. Friday was good. Saturday we went to the kids' grandpa's birthday party, as you saw, and Jamir was coughing. I don't know if he was coughing in that vlog, but for the entire journey and the tenure while we were there, he was coughing. So, you know, we gave him some medicine, thought all was well. Guys, I kid you not, the second that we got home, we put them in bed, he began to like experience an asthmatic episode or an asthma attack. So he was basically gasping for air. His airway was constricted, and as an asthmatic, I automatically jumped into action because I too have experienced that, and I know the signs, the symptoms, all the things to look out for. So he was actually in distress, having an asthma attack, so we had to rush him to the hospital. And I kid you not, it was one of the worst periods of my life. Like, I've never had to, you know, go through such a traumatizing event, because as a parent it was very traumatizing, just, you know, seeing your child like that. So we rushed him to the hospital. Thankfully the hospital is like 10 minutes away, so it wasn't that far. Jason was driving like a maniac and we got there in time. He was nebulized, and unfortunately he could not be released because it moved from just an asthma attack to a whole chest infection, and a lot of things were just brewing behind the scenes that we weren't aware of at the time. And so that hospital visit kind of brought everything to light, so they had to keep him overnight to treat him. And that was the next scary thing, because I've never had to like admit any of my kids into the hospital, gone without knowing where they are. Well, I mean, I knew where they were, but they weren't in the care of anybody that I knew. I literally had to go and, you know, just trust the doctors that they would take care of him for me. Like, we were praying for him, and thankfully he pulled through by the grace of God. And that was just a scary experience, and I don't want to ever go through that again. But I just recall just praying a lot and just asking God to keep him, help him to get better. And it was just a very rough moment. I was crying the entire time. Like, from them even mention the word admit, I start bawling, because that's my baby. And he's just so, I would even say clingy, but we sleep together most nights. Like, and then imagine him having to sleep by himself, not even alone or with his brother or any family member, like by himself in a hospital. That was pretty scary. So I was just feeling for him and for our mother as well. Like, we were all in that place of just turmoil, and you know, we left it to God. And thankfully, as I said, he was released, so he's home now. He's being treated. We made it to church today. It is Easter Sunday, and I'm just reflecting on just God's greatest sacrifice, which is, you know, to give his life for us, and for that we're very grateful. And I entered in a covenant with the Lord during that time, and so this is just my way of keeping up my end of the bargain, which is basically dedicating my life and my life's task and my purpose to him, giving him praise. And we went to church this morning. It was such a great service. Actually, we were invited by a friend like ages ago, but we finally got the chance to stop by at his church, and it was just a wonderful service. And we're home now, and I'm just giving thanks. And I just wanted to come out and close the vlog, and not only close the vlog, but, you know, just give him all the praise, all the glory. And I hope that he has been, you know, moving in your lives, showing up for you, and even in the instances where he isn't, just know that he's not too far off. So yeah, guys, I want to just thank you for watching this vlog. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. So bye, take care, love you guys so much, and just continue to keep the faith and just trust God and know that he'll come through for you.